Hey there, Jeff McQueen, Meta Power Solutions. We are at our second annual Indiantown Job Fair. What we're doing today is looking for talented assembly and mechanical people to come in and work with us and help fuel our rapid expansion into the next year and beyond.
I think the best part of working at Meta Power Solutions is everyone here treats you with utmost respect. They value your ability to do the things that you can do. I've worked other places that didn't value their employees like this place does, and they really make you feel like you're at home.
Best part about working at Meta, everyone here is a family. We all look out for each other, great benefits. I'm learning new things every single day I'm here. I know way more than I did a year ago, and it's just really great. I'm continuing to learn and grow, and everyone here likes each other. It's really nice.
The best part of being here at Meta is building transformers and get them done. Being happy that I was the one who did that.